Good morning, children. Let us start lesson number 4, Files and Folders in Windows 7. Files and Folders in Windows 7. So the operating system that we are going to study today is Windows 7. We will learn about files and folders. Files and folders are used to save our work. Children, these are the things which you have been using, but we are going to name them and we are going to see their uses. So, we save everything in our files. Let us study about files first. All the work that we do in a computer is stored in a form of file. That file can contain anything like drawing, text, picture, sound, etc. in it. Every file has its unique name. Children, you must be giving names to your files so that you can identify and you can search for it. No two files of the same name or type can be saved at the same location in the computer. So, if we want to save the files, we have to change the names. Computer represents files with icons. By looking at the file icons, we can tell what kind of file it is. There are various types of files. Now children, let us see the folders. A folder is a location for organizing files. A folder in a computer is like a file cabinet where we keep relevant files. A similar group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder. Folder can also have its unique name. So children, as we give name to our files, we give name to the folders. Most folder contain files. It can also contain folders in it. So some folders contain additional folders which we call subfolders. So subfolders are folders which are inside the folder. It is just like a file cabinet in an office where similar types of files are kept together. You must have seen in office or at home even, you keep all the files together of similar type in a folder. In the same manner, in computer also, we can have a folder in which we keep similar kind of files. By looking at the icon, you can identify which kind of file it is. See, here it is written W. That means it is a Word file. Here it is written X. That means it is Excel file. This is the folder and this is the folder in which some files are there. Viewing files and folders. There are four main folders in Windows 7 in which our files are saved by default. So, these are the various four folders which we get by default. The first one is Document folder. Wherever you create or save a document file, it is get stored in Document folder. Picture folder. Whenever we are taking any picture and we are storing it in our computer. By default, it will go in picture folder. Or if we are downloading any folder or picture, it will again go in picture folder. Music folder. Whenever you download any music file, it gets stored in music folder. And video folder. Whenever we will download any video file, it will store in videos folder. Now children, let us see one video how you can see or
See children,
view
this is
files and
the
folders.
page.
Page.
When you
When
are
you are
going
going
to
to
open
open
my
my
computer,
computer,
you will
you will
see
see
that
that
these
these
icons are
icons are
there
there
by
by
default.
default.
Can you
Can you
see?
see?
Documents,
Documents,
videos,
videos,
pictures,
pictures,
music.
music.
These are
These
the
are the
various
various
folders you
folders
can
you can
see on
see on
your
your
system.
system.
Suppose you
Suppose you
are
are
downloading
downloading
any
any
document,
document,
it will
it will
straight away
straight away
go
go
in
in
this
this
folder.
folder.
If you
If
are
you are
downloading
downloading
any
any
picture,
picture,
straight
straight
away it
away it
will
will
go
go
in
in
this
this
folder,
folder
so
so
that it
that
is
it
not
is not
difficult
difficult
for
for
you
you
to
to
again
again
reopen it.
reopen it.
Suppose
Suppose
if I
if I
click
click
here
here
twice,
twice,
you can
you can
see
see
these are
these are
the
the
pictures
pictures
I
I
have
have
downloaded.
downloaded.
So
So
again you
again
can
you can
come
come
back
back
and you
and
can
you can
see
see
this
this
documents,
documents,
videos,
videos,
pictures
pictures
and
and
music
music
folders
folders
here.
here. Now, this is the activity you need to do for practice. Create your own file and folder on your system. I hope children you have understood what is file, what is folder, how to create them and how to view them. Thank you children for watching this video.